This tutorial will be showing you how to install Audacity. Audacity is a free audio editing software. First we're going to go to Google Chrome, and then we're going to type in Audacity. Then you click on where it says download. Then I'm going to download it for Windows and click on Audacity for Windows. If you use a different operating system, you can click on one of these. Then give you some instructions. We're going to scroll down. You can see where it says plugins. We're going to the Audacity 2.33 installer. Click on it. And it brings you to this page. You can scroll down, and here are all the downloads. I'm going to click on the Audacity Windows installer, and then it'll start to install. Once it's finished installing, you can click on it. And then go through setup, click OK, next, next, next. And I'm going to reinstall it. You won't have this if it's your first time. I'm going to click yes. And if you want it to create a desktop shortcut, you can click on it. Then click next, and install. Then click next once it's finished installing, and finish. And if you want to launch Audacity when it's finished, make sure it's checked, then click finish. And then we're going to click OK. And that is how to install Audacity. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.